What's going on, traders? Johnny here, and today we're going to talk about our Mara recap from our swing trade over the weekend. It has had a nice gap up, almost 5% pre-market, and a nice rally to start out the end of the week last week, up 13%, and potential for it to go up as high as 31%. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick recap video. If you want to watch the full live stream video, you can definitely check that out. If you look back at today, July 29th, 2024, you can watch that live stream where I go more into detail about this, show my trades, exits, entries, etc. So we are up $71 on the day, about 3% of our overall position size. We are up $56, majority of that in Mara. Have 57 shares of Mara currently at $1,284. Our day's P&L on just this one position is 4.5%. Now we do have some other positions that are currently in the green as well. We have AMD that's starting to look really nice. Amazon, not looking too bad. Nvidia, starting to find some consolidation here. Plug Power, TQQQ, up $5 so far on the day. And Coney, up about $4, again, off of that gap up with Mara. Now, why did Mara push up so much? Well, they have an expected earnings on August 1st. Anticipated or estimated earnings per share is, why won't it show me now, is 0.29. Very nice indeed. No new messages or anything going on here, as yeah, there actually is. So crypto related stocks like Coinbase, Marathon Digital, and others surge after Trump's pro-Bitcoin comments. Stocks of cryptocurrency firms listed in New York surged Monday after a statement from Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump, who supports Bitcoin and promised more favorable regulations for the industry. Coinbase and Marathon shares climbed over 4%, while mining Bitfarm Ltd. or BitF, Riot Platform, and CleanSpark saw increases ranges from 4 to 5%. So if you want to get into crypto investing of any kind without actually buying Bitcoin itself, you can trade Coin, Mara, BitF, Riot, and CLSK. Those are all within the Bitcoin sector. They're all correlated in a way. Now, during his campaign, Trump promised to create a national stockpile of Bitcoin using the U.S. government current crypto assets. It also intended to ensure that all remaining Bitcoin is mined in the U.S. That's pretty cool. They want to make it a U.S. thing only. Bernstein analysts noted that crypto market views a potential Trump presidency as positive for the industry, given that Biden administration regulatory crackdown and Trump supportive statements. Investing can gain exposure to Bitcoin through iShares, Bitcoin Trust, or iBit, and ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, BitO. CoinShares trading higher today. So let's go to BitO and iBit. BitO, 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 BitO. Never heard of BitO. And iBit. Interesting. Very interesting. Lows at 32 to highs at 39. Well, Mara has had a very nice push. It still has potential to go up even higher, as it is up pre-market today. Now, this company does play off of Bitcoin. So if we go over to see where Bitcoin Cash is at $457. Now, it has been trading in this range since back in June 19th. So literally a little over a month and a half. It has been trading between, 370 to 400, back down to 288, which is where it was its low previously, back up to 345, down to 300, back up to 400, and then got rejected 3 times, coming all the way back down to 350 levels, and now has broke that $400 resistance, which will now become a support. And it has now broke that trend, and it's already up to almost 460. its highs of 458 just recently. This is a strong indication of a bull trend. Now this can easily go back up to previous highs. The next one would be 495 or $500, 520 and 530. So I'm very excited to see what happens. Now there might be a pullback on Bitcoin Cash, Mara, etc. this morning, people locking in profits, taking some money off the table, and potentially even getting in at this point right now. Just cleared over $70 in a single day, up 3%. Couldn't be any happier than that. Definitely very great day to be in the market. Now, where is my Bitcoin? My actual Bitcoin at? Oversold? Right here. No? Right here. So now Bitcoin itself just reached 69,800. I believe it just hit $70,000. That was kind of our golden ticket right there. That is a resistance level now. It did clear its previous resistance level, creating now a support level on these two areas, hopefully indicating a strong support. But as you can see, even on the daily, it has been trading within this trend line again, trading from 50,800 to 73,000, bouncing back to 60,000 and back up to 72, back down to 56,000, back up to 70,000. And over the course of the past almost all of July, all of June, and most of July, it has just been in a downward trend cycle. Now that that downward trend cycle is becoming broken, obvious signs of consolidation. Whoa, my screen's being weird. Obvious signs of consolidation right here in this area. Wasn't making any lower lows or lower highs, but actually reversing and starting to play off of an upward trend. This has actually gone up significantly since July 7th. It has gone up over 28%, meaning Mara has potentially gone up much, much higher over that same period, or it should be going up much higher over that same period. And it doesn't seem as though it is, although it is up about 13% currently. Not too bad, not too bad. But overall, since July 8th, let's go back to Mara, July 8th, this did have a nice spike up from those July 8th levels here to $27 for a 41% profit in 9 days. Also, if you would have bought any time in, what is this, a couple days later, which is July 12th, and sold a couple of days later, you would be up, come on, you would be up 42% in 5 days. So to put that into perspective, you can be up over $420 on a $1,000 investment, or $4,200 on a $10,000 investment, whichever one is more closely related to your goals. So yeah, pretty cool. Now, if you guys want to watch me trade this live, you can go back and watch the live stream this morning. Just go to the Learn to Earn playlist, or you can follow us in the Discord where I showcase all my morning live streams there. It'll be the one marked July 29th. So definitely check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. We're consistently making money, and the only reason why we're able to do that is by focusing on 4 things. 1, direction must always be in our favor. 2, we must understand previous patterns and how they can repeat themselves. 3, key levels like support and resistance. And number 4, opportunity cost. I would not invest $1,000 to make a single dollar, but I would invest $1,000 to make $100, $200, $300. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button for me. Consider subscribing to the channel. And remember, let's end the year on a green note. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in our morning live streams.